Hey everyone, welcome back in the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the watermark for free in the Filmora mobile. Let's get started. First, just so you know, Filmora adds a watermark by default in the free version, and the official way to remove it by upgrading to the pro version, but there are two ways to work around for free. First method, free trial with watermark removal sometimes available. Open the Filmora app and create your project as usual. First open the Filmora app, tap on new project, select anything you want, just import. After editing, tap export at the bottom top right. If you see an option that says free trial for 7 days or watch an ad to remove watermark, tap that. Sometimes Filmora offers a short trial or ad-based removal which lets you export once or a few times without a watermark, totally free. And that's it. That's how you can remove the watermark for free in the Filmora mobile. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.